Somewhere like tropical, because it's about to get cool and cloudy here the next couple of days. We can at least imagine it. All right, everybody, let's talk about what's going on. Of course, we do have a few changes to the forecast now that our cold front is finally making its way through the area. Happy Thursday, everyone. So here is the rain that is really out ahead of the weather system that we're watching. As we head through the next few hours and into the early afternoon, that's when the physical front is going to move through the area. But in the meantime, nonetheless, a rainy start to the day, especially if you're along 75 and west of 75, places like Bibb, Houston, Crawford, Peach County, also up towards Monroe. So just give yourself a couple of extra minutes as you're heading out the door. We're also starting to really pick up the wind. Notice further to the east you go, because you're further away from that weather system, at least the center of it, the wind is calm. But notice in places like Upson County, we're already gusting at 18. And as we go through the day today, we could see wind gusts between 20 to 25, maybe isolated gusts higher than that through mainly the morning into the early afternoon. Now, wind is going to be one of our primary threats in any kind of severe storms that pop up. Just an isolated threat. Notice you can see that level 1 of 5 for counties mainly south of Macon, but now including parts of Lawrence and Bleckley and Johnson counties. That wasn't the case yesterday. Heavy rain and gusty wind is what we're going to be looking for. Now, this is why the Storm Prediction Center expanded that threat further into central Georgia. This was something I talked about very early this week. The further this warm front goes, the more of our area that would be engulfed in that threat for severe weather. Still isolated nonetheless, but notice as we head through the morning, it's going to be rainy, so pack the rain gear and pack your patience on the roads. Warm front's going to lift to the north, now engulfing the counties that you just saw highlighted in that green color, and along it we're going to have rain and storms that could carry again some gusty wind and very heavy rain. Now, as the system moves out of the way, notice by 3 o'clock we bring any threat for severe weather to an end. We'll also start to taper back our coverage of rain. Now, the weather system is going to stay the center of it to our north and continue to spin around. We'll get some light rain from that. So tomorrow it's going to be breezy, it's going to be mostly cloudy, and it's going to be drizzly. Pair that with temperatures only near 60. It's going to be a little bit of a dreary end to the week. Saturday, we continue with that chance for wraparound light rain with temperatures only near 60, but it won't be as windy on Saturday, which will be nice. But then sunshine and 70s return just in time for Halloween. It'll stay dry into next week.